So class 4, today we are going to start our first chapter of science, that is the animal kingdom. So as you can see in the picture class, the first heading that we have under this first chapter is classifying animals. That means we have to categorize different animals into different groups. What is categorization or classification class? Basically, this term means that you have to put different animals into different groups, and in each group, all the animal will have some similarities. Okay. So class, now I am going to read the whole chapter from the very beginning. So we are starting it now. Chapter 1, the animal kingdom. Classifying animals. Animals are of different kinds. They can be classified as follows. So first we have mammals. These include animals that give birth to live young ones such as horses, donkeys, cats, dogs, cows, buffaloes, lions, and tigers. Mammals have four legs and are called four-footed animals. Most mammals have hair on their body and tails. Man is also a mammal. He uses his forelimbs as hands. So class, now our next topic is birds. Continuing with the chapter, these are animals with wings. These include pigeons, myna, hornbills, and flamingos. Birds have a small head, two sharp eyes, a beak, two legs, two wings, and feathers on their body. All birds have ears too. Their soft down feather keep them warm, and the long feather help them to fly. So class, as you can see in the book, that this first page is explaining about the first two groups of animals, that is mammals and birds. So first group, which is the mammal, they are explaining about the mammal as those animals who give birth to live young ones. Young ones are basically the baby ones. Okay, so who are these animals here? Like horses, donkey, cat, dog, cows, buffaloes. So all these animals are those animals who give birth to the young ones. Next is under the mammal. Mammals have four legs. All the mammals have this similarity that they will have four legs and they will give birth to the young ones. Most mammals have their hair on their bodies and tails. It is also a very main characteristic of mammals class that all the mammal animals have hairs on their body. And human is also a mammal class, but the difference between human and other mammals is that human can walk on his 2 feet. Otherwise, most of the other mammals walk on their four limbs. Okay, limbs means the feet and hands. Now the next topic that has been discussed here is the bird. So bird are those animals who have wings, and these wings have feathers, and because of these wings these animals can fly. So bird have special structure at their face which is known as beak. Now all of you have seen birds class, and you know that every bird has a beak. It is a pointed structure which is used for eating, and wings are used for flying. I hope all of you have understood these two concept class, the mammals and birds. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, class. Have a nice day. That's all for today's class. Thank you, class.